it's Christina, and today we're talking test tips. We're going to talk about how best to use your calculator. You want to make sure that you are using your calculator effectively. Sure, you want to check your answers by using your calculator, but are you also writing everything down and using your calculator? In other words, are you wasting time with your calculator? If you find yourself doing lots and lots of calculations on your calculator for one question, then something has gone wrong. What you want to do is you want to write down enough to keep track of what you're doing. And then you want to be honest with yourself about the kinds of calculations that you sometimes make mistakes with. So when you're in a hurry or you're nervous or you're thinking about the next step, do you sometimes make mistakes with fractions or the positives and negatives of integers? Or do you just sometimes make mistakes with addition and subtraction? So use your calculator to help you get those accurate answers, but don't let it slow you down. Happy practicing!